life
and the life is equivalent to the root word of shin, which means shin.
mending.
Last day. How? Gusto ko na umuwi. Gusto ko na ng kanin. May kanin daw pero di masarap. Parang gusto ko na masarap na Bicol Express. Isang kati lang outfit ko today. Nilalagnat na ako dito. Sinisip ko na ako. Tinandalamunan ko. Hi guys! Pupunta kami sa Highways. Excited na sila makakita ng condo.
Okay.
Gusto ko niyan guys, color pink. Kasi Ate Lucky gusto niya makakita ng condo. Makakita. Ay, naku. Tutulog yung kuha. Giant Panda House. Sabi niya yun?
Sabi niya yun?
Cute niya. Hello. Guys, ang daming condo. Panda. Ate, how are you? Ha? Ang pula ng ilong niya. Uy, uy. Nagpapasikat siya, ate. Nagpapasikat siya.
Pagkain niya.
Guys, sobrang cute ng sea otter. Cute. Lang yan? Ito si ate, amaze na amaze. Ayan o. Nauulam ba yan?
Oo. Gamit ko yan. Yan sa tapo yan. Malaki yan.
Hindi lapo-lapo yun. Ma, pa, tara na. Tagal niyo dyan. Ate, calling. Pa. Hello.
Sikat na naman ng besi ko.
Amo ba ka na dito?
Suyuin kasi na. Bridge. Wala mo bridge nga eh. Akala ko ano, stable bridge. Ganto. Ang cute naman ang kawen.
National bird nila.
Ano yun?
Ano? Imu? Eh?
Oh. Sige, pag kinuha. Naglag ka? Paano yung giraffe? Okay na guys, pabalik na. Naambo na naman. Wait, I will explain. I am the tour guide. Okay. So we just saw a hippopotamus. Is it a hippopotamus? Hippopotamus or hippopotamus?
Hypothesis.
A hippopotamus. So the hippopotamus came from the root word hippo, which means the greatest wall of the earth, which means the tree and the garden
And the life?
and the life is equivalent to the root word of shin, which means shin.
Mending.
Shimending is because the equivalent of shimending to shinbeita to fuju is equals to the negative power of 2, which is the fruit of the earth. The fruit of the earth is equal to pandiwa, which means pandiwa is verb. That's right. Verb plus noun is equals to negative 360.000. Yun, the conclusion of that hypothesis, that explanation, or that findings, or that theory is we will be the human of the earth, the human of the trees, and the human of the hippopotamus. Thank you.